Hey guys, what is up? It's been a while since we did a YouTube video. As you can see, we got something over here in the box. Any guesses as to what it could be? I'm not going to make you wait, I'm just going to tell you. It's a rear seat delete, factory OEM for the Redeye. We're going to go ahead and dive into it. I've never done this before, so it looks to be, you know, I'm hoping to be pretty simple like the rest of it, but we'll get it done together. So there's your hardware, comes with it. Then you have your pieces here. You'll need this, that piece, and then those two over there. And it also comes with instructions. This is OEM Dodge for this car. You can see the Dodge Demon. Woo-hoo. Step 1, remove your shit kickers. Step 2, be very small. Okay, so to remove the lower cushion, you're going to want to pull up. There's no tools required, just hand and a little bit of elbow grease. You'll pull up on one side, go to the other side, pull up on that, and then from there it should just come right out. And you can see this here, that goes right into that little slot right there, and that's what holds that in place. Alright, so it says the first thing you want to do after you remove the seat, you're going to go get a Torx T50, and this will go through here like that. This goes right there. It is very, very tight to get off, so take your time. It will come off. As you can see, it's got it has blue thread locker. Sorry, I can't talk tonight. You're going to remove and discard, aka keep for later. You're not going to reuse those, so go ahead and stash those aside. Alright, so we got our seatbelt buckles removed. Now we're going to remove the 5 nuts that hold the backing in place. You'll see there's 2 here, 1 down here, and I believe there will be some behind this when we pull this one out. It's a knuckle busting time. Damn breaker bar. Shit. It looks like there's 2 bolts over there. These bolts are very tight at first. Okay, so right here has a SRS airbag cover. How I went at it is I went from this corner here, I pried it up and I popped it out. Right behind that is going to be a 7mm right there. It's going to be a 7mm bolt. You're going to want to loosen that, or actually take it out so you can get this trim panel off. Go ahead and do that. cannot believe how fucking tight this is. That's crazy. They do not want this coming out.
Do you love this project?
Not so much. I'd much rather be underneath the car right now. Actually, no, I wouldn't. That means that something very expensive broke again. Good news is we might be prepping for another 2 private track days. So you just take this bolt out, feed it through, and rapapui. By the way, that has like this little thing right here, a retainer. So it goes in and slides down, or you pick it up and pull it out. Don't forget to tip your bar. So we just fed the center seat belt through this hole right here, and then right behind where this seat belt mount is, or the roller, whatever you call it, is an 18mm bolt right back here, or nut, sorry. We're gonna go ahead and remove that and keep on moving. Alright, so you can notice that this piece is removed. We kind of did it backwards because we didn't really know what a striker was. I'm kind of savvy when it comes to cars, but I don't know correct terms and all that good stuff. So here's your striker. It's that thing right there. I'm assuming that's when you put your rear seat up. So what you'll do is you'll remove these 2 bolts, and then this piece should come out just fine, really easy for you. Kind of had to work mine out since I didn't remove this striker piece. It's going to be a 10mm to remove it. You're only going to want to remove the 2 outside ones. Leave both inside U-nuts in place. So you're going to leave the inside. You can see there's one here and one here. You'll take the outside one out, leave the inner one in. Same goes for this side. Then you put this in, slide it in place, tighten your left one all the way down. And then this one, you can see it has a more hollowed out hole. Once you push that to the left, you'll go ahead and tighten this one down as well. In the instructions, it says to remove all 4 U-nuts. Only remove the 2 outer U-nuts, or else you're going to end up putting the other 2 back in. The seatbelt cap covers. Oh, that's good fitment. That's perfect. Watch this. And that is a rear seat delete. Alright, so to sum up our rear seat delete, I celebrate with a Coca-Cola. Some guys drink beer. I guess I drink beer sometimes, but not much of a drinker anymore these days, so I celebrate with a Coke. Took us, what did you say, 2 hours? So it took us about 2 hours. I had my wife help me. It was a pretty big pain in the butt, you know, working in such a tight, confined space, and I'm not a huge individual myself, but it was pretty tight back there. Pulling apart panels and stuff like that, trying to get, you know, big pieces in. It wasn't very easy. But we got it done pretty quick. You know, I think 2 hours to do a project like that's a pretty quick job. It came out really nice. My wife's going to throw up some video and photos of the install and what the after looks like. I think it looks really good. It's a very clean, simple look. What we do have is from Dodge. It is an OEM replacement for the rear seats. I also have one for sale, so if anybody's interested, we are selling it for $475 plus tax. No, plus shipping, sorry. It is a really big box. It's not very heavy. I think it's 22 pounds in total, but the cost is going to be in the size of it. Or if you're local to Orlando, Florida, you're welcome to meet up with me, and I'll meet you and say what's up, and I'll sell you a rear seat delete. Hope you guys like this video. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, you know, keep, not really sure what else we can do to this car. We might have to build the BMW out front. My wife's giving me the eyes. Alright guys, well, hope all is well. We'll be hitting the track here soon. And we do have something big coming up for the front of this thing, so stay tuned. See you guys.